Here is the animation for Python turtle graphics. So I have imported the turtle for here, and we have defined the constants dimensions for the window where we are going to draw the any stuffs with using turtle graphics. And for that we are have taken width 1000 pixels and height 1000 pixels, and delay I have given the 20 milliseconds, so that when it will be drawing, it will move forward, it will take right directions and then keep update. Then it should be the delay, otherwise it will go very quickly. So it will delay 20 millisecond. And define move turtle, I have defined the move turtle, and then I have put the variable stamper forward, go to 1 pixels forward, and then right directions take the 1 degree, and then update the screen. And screen dot on timer for delay. So move turtle functions I have given, and it will keep delaying after moving forward and after going right directions. So it keep updating the screen. And create window, here we will do drawing. So for that I have taken screen turtle dot screen, and we set up the width and height what we have earlier defined the constants. That width the height it will set up. And I have given this title stamping, you can give whatever you want. And background color I have given cyan. Screen a tracer 0 I have put, so that it will turn off automatic animation, and whatever I suggest, like how to move forward, right, update, it should go according to my directions. Create a turtle to do any stuff. So for that, stamper is equal to turtle class I have called, and then stamper dot shape is shape it in a triangle. I like the triangle shape, you can take a square shape or whatever you want. Stamper dot color blue, and I have given the shape size stamper size 50. You can give like 50 pixels, for me it looks good. And 20 focus. And stamper dot stamp, that is the current location should be there, the like big size 50 pixel. And then pen up, it is start the pen up, like move to other places. And after that, shape size 10 pixels and 10 pixels. Again, other stamp you can give it, you can move up and you can make lots of size of the stamper. So I have given the 10 size 10 pixel and 20 focus. And stamper I have given the where to move also, pin up and then go to the like 200 locations. So there it can go, and then stamp, and it will starts animation in motion. So move turtle, again I have called the functions, and it will keep moving, and then turtle dot done. So let's see what it how things it comes up. So go right click and run python file in direction. So now you can see the bigger size I have given the 50 pixel, and then I have given the 10 pixel. um, 10 pixels. So it has, and I have coordinate I have given 200, so it has gone to there, and it is starting animations. So here you can see the size, bigger size I have given 20 and 20 pixel, and then I have given a small size of triangle here 10 pixel with 20 focus for both of them. And then it is rotating because I have written the command move turtle, and it is moving. So that's how you can make the board game, and you can make art is snake game. So lots of things you can make using graphics. That's it. So that way you can design the board game, or you can make a ladder game, a snake ladder game you can make it. And art video you can, art dimension 2D art, two-dimensional art you can make it. So you can think whatever, you can make many things, many board games you can make this way. So that's it for today. So here you can see the size, bigger size I have given 20 and 20 pixel, and then I have given a small size of triangle here 10 pixel with 20 focus for both of them. And then it is rotating because I have written the command move turtle, and it is moving.